be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Let's go tonight. Maybe you can stay the night. I wanna be with you. I wanna be. Don't let this go tonight. Let you go. I just wanna let you know. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Don't let this go tonight. Maybe you can stay the night.
Fancy a Ferrari then?
Got my brother's Jag. I used to spend my time trying to get the rust off that chrome bumper. The chrome on those things is crap.
Because most people's garages, they don't realise the humidity's like can be 85% or more. And if you had it in a garage at 85%, then chrome bumpers would 100% go rusty.
No, I think I make special arrangements for my garage because it's got a lot of wine in it.
I don't know if you've watched a program called Bangers and Cash on.
Yeah.
Because of the generation that's disappearing for these, that no one wants them. And
Yeah,
that's why the value isn't there with them.
It's a very nice car. Beautiful sound.
Yeah, they got a good engine, yeah.
Beautiful.
And they're real drive as well.
Yeah.
What was the one you smashed up at France?
2-litre twin spark, done out as a police car.
And
Not my fault. It was raining. It started to rain.
Who was in the passenger seat?
Oh, it was a new managing director of Alphas.
Wasn't your car, was it?
His nickname was Crasher Canavan, so he was used to it. That's the unloved portion, isn't it? I mean, you could have picked one of those up early for not a lot of money.
Or a cheap old beer?
Thank you for letting us see all this.
No problem.
Ah, nice. I could pick one of these up cheap.
Is that your old plate?
My old one.
Is that your old plate?
Ah. Oh, I see. And we've walked straight past it without seeing
have?
it.
Yes.
So this is all a little con, was it? Yeah. Cheeky bastard. Well, and you've not got a cameraman here as well.
Obviously.
Oh, stupid boy.
Go on and get in.
You're a bad man. Heavy old door. It's all the filler.
Can you still get in?
Oh, thank God for that. That works. Got the keys?
Let's see if it starts.
Yeah. I'll put them in here in your car.
Okay.
Okay, well, they got me. It was a complete surprise. Well, that was a good bit of acting there, because I didn't even look for this.
You went
You
right
sold the story very, very convincingly.
That's not there.
You went right.
I know, I walked straight past it. I wasn't looking for it. Blimey, those window wheels are different, aren't they?
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, come on
Have
over.
a look at on the other side.
Sam will talk you through, crikey, how much work's been
Yeah.
put into it.
I hope it's worth it.
Yeah. I've seen
Of course
some
it's worth
of the
it.
videos.
It's lovely now.
I always thought it was a lovely car. So you know the story, my youngest son
Yeah.
smashed it up. We still don't know the story. Never admitted to what he'd done wrong. Just left it there and the police told me it was there.
Oh,
Blocking
right.
somebody's road. Seems like a lifetime ago, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, Sam's done all this in 6 months, pretty much.
Well, yeah, it has been quite a task.
Well, trust me, it was worth it. Thank you very much indeed.
It's alright, no
sir.
worries. Yeah, no, it looks nice now.
You know, I hadn't been driven.
Oh,
for
it hasn't been
10 years.
driven for donkey's years, has it? So
So we'll put.
I'm
some
not
markers-
driving back through those bleeding lanes.
No.
No, no, we're going
No.
the main road. So you want to take it home? I've got it's tax insured. It's in your name. Or will it roll?
We'll give it a go. You paid the bill.
Oh, good point. No, I've got to pay the bill.
Just
It
the
was definitely a
lights,
new number plate.
You know.
Yeah, do you know what? I only put. I asked Sam to put them on for show, Dad.
Oh.
Because I thought we could share the number plate. I'll have one half, and you can have the other half. So you can have James's 8 Series, and then I'll have the Fat Wanker Racing. I don't know how you feel about that.
Got to pull that the other way though. It's nice. That it'd be nice if I could do something for my dad, but it's not true, so.
Well, I can't
It's
thank
nice
you
seeing
enough.
Bob's enthusiasm about the whole thing. It's great.
Well, I keep telling him if it wasn't for his enthusiasm,
It wouldn't have got done.
it wouldn't. Well, the way I know him too well after 50 years. It wouldn't have got done.
I'll
Yeah.
have to keep it clean now.
Well, the interior looks great. The
It's
seats
a great
need.
looking car, yeah, so it's- That, well, funny enough, when you started looking at that 98, that is the Porsche equivalent.
Did you not think we was coming here because it was done?
It crossed my mind that this should be the ideal time to let me in, but the acting between you two was
And is it
and
actually
you.
Is it actually your birthday today?
No,
Yesterday.
no, it was yesterday.
Oh, okay. Well, happy birthday for yesterday.
You want to know how old? Because I don't like telling people.
Well, don't tell me then.
I was trying to pull this bloody tree across the road, and say, well, I didn't expect to be doing this on my 76th birthday.
Right. Well, I need to sort the boys out some beers.
Yeah.
I've got some beers in the thing, so I'll go and sort you out some spuds.
I get as many of the cars in the back.
Got to try and what's his number plate.